is x. Now, this here, we said what we do is we substitute whatever cosx equal with, we substitute whatever u equal with 2x. So that means this becomes du over dx is equal with 2. So that means that dx is equal with du over 2. And that means that, let's just find only what's the integral of cos of 2x. The integral of cos of 2x dx is equal with the integral of cos of u, and instead of dx I put du over 2. So that means that I have the integral of cos of u with respect to u, which is equal with sine u, and of course I have these two here, and because the final answer has to be with respect to x, I just substitute whatever u equal with 2x, and the answer is sine 2x over 2. So that's the cos of 2x, so I can just substitute here that the integral of this is I also have the minus, so I put minus sine 2x over 2. Now, the problem, it's not a problem, we always have solutions. It's with this here that it's to the second power. So, let's calculate the integral of cos square of 2x dx. So, what I do here again, it's because it's an even power of cos, I have to take again the double angle. So what do I mean by that? I have to substitute this here, the cos square of 2x equal with 1/2 times 1 plus cos of the double angle of this, which will be 4x. So if I continue what I have, so instead of finding the integral of this, I find the integral of this, so which will be the integral of 1/4, the integral of 1/2 times 1 plus cos 4x, and of course, the 1/2 I can take it outside, and now the integral of 1, it will be x, so it will be 1/2, and we said the integral of 1, it will be x, and of course now the integral of cos of 4x, using exactly the same thing as I did with the cos 2x, it will be sine of 4x over 4. So again, in order to find the integral of cos square of 2x, I use the double angle again. So that means that I have to write this like this, and then I find the integral. I take the 1/2 outside, the integral of 1 is x, and the integral of this here, it's sine 4x over 4. So I can go and substitute everything here, so that will give me x over 2, so plus x over 2, plus sine 4x over 4. And now I just have to find the integral of cos to the third 2x. So the integral of cos to the third 2x dx. So here, it's here I have to use the first case of sine x to some degree times cos x to some degree. And as I said from the beginning, you might have just the sine or the cos. Have the cos to an odd power. So I have to use the first thing that I spoke today, which is I save a power of cos of 2x, and so I save a power of cos of 2x, and I write the rest like this. So now cos 2x, and now this here I can write it again from the trigonometric identity. Sine square x plus cos square x is equal with 1. I can write this here as 1 minus sine square 2x dx. And of course here I have to substitute whatever u equal with sine 2x. So from this here, if I take the derivative of this with respect to x, what I have that this here is equal with cos of 2x, and because I have to use the chain rule, times the derivative of what you have inside, which is times the derivative of 2x, so which is 2. So, and now so now if if I solve here for dx, that will give me that dx is equal with du over 2 cos 2x. So and now if I go back here, what do I have? I have let me erase this here. So if I go back here, what do I have? I have that the integral of cos 2x here, integral of cos 2x times 1 minus, so I said that I substitute whatever u equal with sine 2x, so I can write this here as 1 minus u squared, and instead of dx I can substitute this here, so it will be du over 2 cos 2x. So you see that this cancels with this, and what I have that the integral of this will be 1/2 And now the integral of 1 with respect to u is u, and the integral of u squared with respect to u it's minus u to the third over 3. So, and finally, if we go and we substitute back wherever u equal with sine 2x, which is what we substituted in the beginning, we'll have that this will become equal with 1/2 sine 2x and minus sine 2x to the third over 6. Okay, so I just go and I substitute it here. And that will be my final answer. So just go and I substitute here we're just missing the cos to the third of 2x. So we set the integral of cos to the third of 2x. So we set the integral of this is equal with this. So we just go and we substitute it. And that should be it. Sine to the third 2x over 6. So plus of course c, because this is an indefinite integral. So those were the three cases about finding any integral of the form sin x to some power, cos x to some other power with respect to x. So thank you for taking the time to view this video, and I hope you find it useful, and bye for now.